We say that freediving is a mainly psychological sport. What a person sees from the outside is just a diver moving, but the major challenges are happening inside the person. I would say that the ocean is the place where I find my peace. When I cross that thin line between the sky and the sea, everything else vanishes and the new world begins. At the moment I have 6 world records. I have 2 titles, so world champion, 1 time European champion. I have 1 Guinness World Record in diving under ice and a record in highest altitude free dive that we did in the Himalayas. Every dive is a story itself. It always depends on the day you had, on the sleep you had, on what's going on in your head, also the conditions at the sea. So everything has to be taken in consideration. In competition, usually there's so much noise, so many divers, so much chaos going around you and inside you. You have to be able to turn everything off. Once I take my last breath and I turn vertically and face the deep, I feel the pressure. For me, this feeling is like the sea is hugging me. I really enjoy this feeling. And let's say around 50 meters, where the real freediving starts, you are in a free fall and it feels like being in space without gravity and you're just slipping toward the depth. Even though freediving is an individual sport, the main rule is never freedive alone. So it's always including a partner, and usually it's a whole safety team that's making this possible. I'm really happy to be part of MAURICE LACROIX team because I think we share the same values. And the thing I appreciate the most is they are not only highlighting success, but also a road to success, which is way more important. Having a partner like that gives you strength in the moments of failure, in moments of doubt, because that's where you really need someone. It's not just about being the best. All the sports I do, like free climbing, free diving, driving a plane, horse riding, they are all connected to nature, and that's something that recharges me and fulfills me and gives me this feeling of being alive.